Easy, simple thing to do. If you got an issue like this, to where you have your tailgate slamming down, like I show you guys, but every time I open up my tailgate, this thing slammed down like crazy, kind of annoying to me. So today we got a little simple fix. We're gonna be installing the ZeeTailgate assist, pretty much. Very easy, simple thing to do. If you got an issue like this, to where you have your tailgate slamming down, like I show you guys, but I got everything ready. Hopefully everything go as smooth, easy as they say it is. I mean, it's not really anything hard, complex, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. So this is not a how-to. I'm just pretty much doing a quick little installing on this. It has an instruction, so if you're here for your first time on the channel, this is my beautiful 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, pretty much stock. Nothing really done to it yet, and pretty much got the lowering springs on there, got a core air intake, bed cover. What else is done? Pretty much blacked out, well, the Alpha Rex tail light, and pretty much that's about it. I really haven't done much to this truck yet, but if you're here for your first time on the channel, you're a Mopar guy or car guy in general, definitely subscribe to the channel, because this truck gonna be getting a lot of makeover. There's a lot of things coming for this truck. Gonna be doing a ton of mods to this truck, so you definitely want to stick around for that. But with that being said, let's get into the video. So the first step is done. Got that part in there nice and flush. Now the next step, like they said, pretty much, like, this is not a how-to. I'm just showing you guys pretty much. I'm not really gonna do too much talking, but just showing you guys as I pretty much follow along. Very easy to do. Had to bring the gloves out, super tight, so got to use the glove for this. guys a quick little update. If you're doing this, I'm at the part where you got to remove this. You don't need to. All you got to do is take a flathead screwdriver, pretty much, with a hammer, tap it, just so this could be able to turn. See how it's kind of like blocking it? That's all you got to do. Or if you want to do all the work, you can go ahead and take that off. But that's what I'm doing. Seconds, all you gotta do is bang that part up. Pretty much. Now that pretty much turn. That's all you gotta do instead of you taking all of this out. I just got done doing the ZeeTailgate assist. As you guys can see, she closed up way better than what she was before. Open up. That's how easy it is. Took me about 25 minutes. Very easy, simple to do. There's a couple ways of you going about doing this, but very easy. I got done just in time because it's starting to rain. Kind of sucked. But it's starting to rain right now, and I just got done. Super happy. Very easy. It's on Amazon. If you guys looking to get one of these, check it out on Amazon. So that's going to be it for this video. Definitely appreciate you taking your time out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.